Hello students, I am Satakshi and welcome to the third lecture of this chapter, that is large numbers around us. Okay, so in this video we are going to cover our next topic, which is international system of numeration. Okay, so in our previous video we have studied about the Indian system of numeration. So let's discuss what is international system. So this is basically a method of writing numbers which is used globally. Okay, so Indian numeration system, it is used in very few countries like India, Pakistan and Sri Lanka and this Nepal, but this method, it is used worldwide. Okay, so there are some rules on this international system of numeration. What are they? Let's start it. So first comma is placed after the hundreds place, that is after 3 digit from the right, and the next comma are also placed after every 3 digits. Okay, so in Indian system, we have studied that first comma we are placing after 3 digits, and after that we are placing the comma after every 2 digits, right? But here in this international system, we have to start with the extreme this right digit, and we will place the comma after leaving 3 digits every time. Okay, so here in this example, our first comma will come by leaving 3 digits, that is 9, 2 and 1. So it will come here at this place between 5 and 1. Okay, again now leave 3 digits 1, 2 and 3 and place another comma. So in this system we are going to leave 3 digits and place our commas according to that. Okay, then we have this table. So to read and write a large number with ease, the number is split into groups or periods. So we have seen Indian, just try to relate with Indian system of numeration. Okay, so you can just differentiate with that one. So there we have studied that the periods are what? Periods are ones, thousands, then lakhs, crores, right? But here the periods are ones, thousands, millions, billions and trillions. Okay, so positions are ones, tens, hundreds, then thousands. In thousand period we have the position 1000, 10,000, and then we have 100,000s. Okay, there is no lakh now. Now we have 100,000s, then we have million, then 10 million, and after that we have 100 million. Then we have this billion, 10 billion, 100 billion, trillion, 10 trillion and 100 trillion. Okay, so these are the positions. Then if we just try to write it in numbers, so we can write like this: 1 for tens we can write the number 10, for 100 we can write 1 and 00, then for 1000 we know it is 1 triple 0, then 10,000 is 1 and 4 times zeros, for 100,000 this 1 and 5 zeros, and so on. Okay, so here we have the number of zeros which are written. For ones we have no zeros, for tens we have 1 zeros, and so on. Okay, so I hope you have understood this concept. So now we will see how we can read any number in international system of numeration. Okay, so for a given number we start from the extreme right as ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s, million, 10 million, 100 million. Okay, and so on. Then billion, trillion. Okay, so billion, 10 billion, then 100 billion, then trillion, 10 trillion, 100 trillion. So like that we will read the number in this international system. So if we just look at this number, so first of all we will try to put the commas. Okay, so we know that we will start from the extreme right and place the comma after every 3 digits. So our first comma will come here, second comma will come here. Okay, 3 digits we are leaving. Now let's try to read this. This is ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s, then we have million. It means this number will be read as 5 million, then 425,000s, then we have 7 150, it's 50, FIFTY 50, and 3 we have, right? So this number we will read it as 5,425,753. Okay. So we are starting with ones, then we have tens, then we have hundreds, then 1,000, 10,000. After 10,000, it is not lakh, it is 100,000. And after that, we have million, then 10 million, and so on. Okay. So that is how we are going to read this number. Now, if we just talk about the periods of this number in International System of Numeration, so first period will be what? It would be ones. Then we have this thousands. Then we have what? Not lakhs. We are having this millions. And after that, we have billions. Then we have trillions. Okay. These are the periods in International System. Then suppose these questions we are having. So write the following in words according to the International System numeration. So if we want to write this first number, so first thing is to just put the commas. Okay. So after 3 numbers, we can put a comma here. So we can see that this is 14,781. Okay. So you all can just write it. I'm telling you. Okay. I will dictate and you can write it. It is 14,781. Okay. Then we have the next comma. So if we try to put next number, so if we try to put comma here, so first comma will come between 0 and 4, that is here. Okay. Then next comma, so after these 3 digits, we don't have any number. So only one comma we will be having here. Next, if we want to read this number, if we want to write this number, how we will do that? So see the positions. So this is ones, tens, hundreds, 1,000, 10,000, and then 100,000. So we have the number 230,439. Okay, 230,439. That is the number which is here in International System. Then the next numbers are these. So when we will put the comma, first comma will come here, second comma will come here. Now this group, it is for ones, it is for 1,000, and this is for millions. So this number will become 5,400,753. Okay. If you want, I can just write it. So the number will be 5 million, then 400,000 and 753. 753. Okay. So this is the number 5,400,000 and 753. Now when we talk about this number, so first we will place the commas. So leave the 3 digits, place the comma, leave the 3 digits, place the comma, and leave the 3 digits. After that, we don't have any digit. Okay. So this is for ones. This is ones group, right? This group is for ones. Then this is for what? This is for 1,000 and this is for million. It means this time we have the number 459,760,950. Okay. If you want, you can just write it down. 459,760,950. Okay. I hope it is clear. Then next we have some questions in which we have to write the numerals and place the comma. Okay. The first number is 245,645. Okay. So first we will, in this type of question, just try to see what period it is taking. Okay. So 245,000. It means at 1,000 place we have 245. Okay. So we will write 245. then put one comma, because we know that after this 1000 groups we are having this comma, right? Then at ones place we have what? 645. So 645. So this is our required number, which is 245,645. Next number is 5,036,009. Okay, so we know that we have this three numbers of group. So here we just write the number which is present on ones period, then this is thousands period, and then this is for million period, right? So 5 million, it means we are taking 005, only 5 million, okay, not in 10 million or 100 million. So just 5 we are taking for million. Then 36,000 means for 100,000 we don't take anything, so 0. Then 36,000, so 36. This is our thousands group. Then 36,009. It means at ones place we are taking only 9. So 110's place will become 0 and the ones place will be 9. So if we just remove these brackets, our number will be this 5,036,009. So this is 5,036,009. Okay, I hope this is clear. Then we have next question, which is 42,200,457. Okay, so 42 million. Let this be our 42 million. Then again one comma will come, right? 42,200,000. So this is 200,457. So 457. All right. Next question is 201 million. So 201 million 91,000. Okay, it means 100,000 we don't have anything, so we can just write 0. And 91,345 only. It means 345 we are having here. Okay, so this is the required number, which is 201,091,000 and 345. So 345. Okay, I hope this was clear to you. It was very easy, right? Next question is this one. 1 lakh is equals to dash thousands. So to this we can just write the 1 lakh. So if you just write 1 lakh in numbers, so it will have 1 and 5 zeros, right? 1, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000 and lakh. So this is our 1 lakh, right? In Indian system of numeration, we read this number as 1 lakh. But when we talk about this international system, so this is ones, tens, 100, okay, and this is 1,000, 10,000 and 100,000. It means in international system, 1 lakh is equals to 100,000. So which option will be correct one? Option number B is the correct answer. Okay. So in this way we have finished this system also, where we have studied about the international system of numeration. So just go to the platform and practice questions from it. Thank you for watching.